Dubai, an emirate renowned for its extravagant and grandiose projects. A generation ago, a small city that lived on fishing and trade. Now, Dubai has turned itself into one of the world's leading financial and tourist centers. Its skyline bristles with 20% of the world's cranes, a sure sign of a massive building boom. The Dubai government is planning to build a new city at a cost of $95 billion and the world's tallest skyscraper, a tower 1 kilometer tall.
But how much of that boom is built on shaky foundations? The amount of credit being issued here has grown at almost 50% a year, funding a spiral of extravagant housing projects and rising property prices. But now the credit crunch may answer a question that has been on the minds of investors in the past year or two. Is Dubai property a bubble waiting to burst?
Here in the Dubai Stock Exchange, losses continue despite a $14 billion rescue plan put together hastily by the UAE Central Bank. If it doesn't work and stock prices keep dropping, many fear that Dubai's ambitious expansion may be halted due to lack of financing.
Certainly the credit crunch will affect the way mortgages are issued. Banks across the region are prepared to lend upwards of 90% of the balance of a property. This is going to become more difficult. Interbank lending between banks and institutions across the Gulf has become tighter over the last month.
The tight credit market saw its first victims here this week. Dubai's government backed the merger of two big home lenders and set up a fund to invest in domestic real estate, a move to shore up a suddenly vulnerable property market.
This is a sign that maybe lenders are looking to strengthen their balance sheets, merge their balance sheets in the face of potentially a very serious financial crash in this region.
If the merger and the bailout plan fail to stabilize the market, banks will squeeze lending and real estate prices and rents are likely to keep dropping. A nightmare scenario for Dubai, a city that has thrived on global growth in recent years, but now may become a victim of global downturn. Hashem Ahelbarra, Al Jazeera, Dubai.